Good morning, children. We have reached up to the last part of this chapter, last exercise, and in that exercise, we have to see the estimation of numbers or round off the numbers. Now, before starting, we should know how to estimate or how to round off the numbers. So, let's see the rules. Two rules are there. If the given number is less than 5, we have to round down, means whatever the number is there, that will remain as it is, and that before after that numbers will become 0. That means we don't have to do anything for the given number, only we have to change something. We will see in the example. Now the second rule is, if the number is more than 5, we have to round up. This is more important case. We have to round up, or we can say add 1. Means whatever the number is given, if it is more than 5, we have to add 1 to the given number, and that will be up, means the number will become greater. Now let's see the example. This will make you more clear. One example is there, that is 234. First we have to write its place value, ones, tens, 100. Now if it is said round of nearest to tens. So if I have to round up to tens, keep in mind always whatever the position is given to you, we have to see its one before position, means on the right hand side. Like if it is asked for 10, we have to see it on its immediate right side, that is ones. Now you can see here 4 is less than 5, so that number will be round down, and that will become 230. No change at tens position, only its before position, that is ones position, will be changed and it will become 0. That is down, means we are lowering the numbers, that is nearest to 10. Now suppose if the question is same, round off nearest to tens, and the number is given to you 459, it is ones, tens, 100. Now we have to see tens. For changing at tens position, we have to look for the ones. Now at ones position, we can see 9 is greater than, or we can say more than 5. That means the number will be round up and 1 will be added. That means in 459, 1 will be added, so this will become 460. So this will be round off and this will become 460. Because at one's position it will become 0 and 1 will be added to 5. So 5 plus 1 will become 6. Okay. Now one more example. Let's see. It is 2067. Now 65. Sorry. Two cases I told you, that is less than 5, more than 5. Now if suppose this happens that you are getting a number that is 5 only, not less than, not more than. So for that what we have to do? We have to follow the second rule only in this also. That means here also the number will be round up and 1 will be added to the given number. That means if it is here 5, 1 will be added to tens position and this will become 2070. Understood? Now let's move to the sum that will make you more clear. Chapter 1, exercise 1.5, estimation of numbers. First question is round off the given numbers to nearest tens. Nearest tens means we have to change the tens position, and for that we have to look to the ones position also. So this is ones position, this is tens position. As we can see here, it is 5 which is at ones position. So 5 or more than 5, we know the rule. If it is 5 or more than 5, we have to round up the number. So 1 will be added to this tens position. So this will become 4, 2 and 0 at ones position. Next is 6, 5, 9. 9 is there which is more than 5. Again we have to add 1 at tens position, and the number will be round up, and this will become 660. One more number you can see here, 9484. 4 is at ones position, that is less than 5. That means the number will be round down. That means the number will be lowered, and we don't have to change anything at tens position. The number will become as 9480. That ones position's number will be removed and it will become 0 only. One more thing you can see, notice over here, howsoever that long number it is, we don't have to bother about anything. We just have to see our two positions if it is given for the tens, ones and tens position. Nothing to worry about 100 or 10, 1000, 10,000, anything. Let it be the number. We just have to see these two numbers and carry out the calculation. Then 3008, that is 3008. Here the number at ones position is 8, that is more than 5. So the number will be rounded up, and this 0 will be added to 1, and this will become 3010. I hope this is clear you to all. Now let's see if the question is given round off the given numbers to nearest 100. One thing keep in mind, whatever is told to you, that is 100, tens or 1000, we just have to see that position and one before position. Like here it is 100 is told, so we will see 100 and tens position. So this is ones, tens, 100, then 1000, 10,000, like that. But we just have to see these two position, 100 and 1000. As 100 is having 2 at its place, and 9 is at tens place. So we will see 9 is more than 5. So 1 will be added to 2 and the number will be rounded up, and this will be your answer, 84300. Okay. Next is ones, tens, 100. Just see these two numbers, 3 which is at tens position, less than 5. So this number will remain as it is. So the number will be rounded down, and this will become 56400. Next, 12,558. Again see only tens and 100 position. 5 or more than 5, we know we have to round up the number. So this will become 12,600. Then next one, 55,105. Again tens and hundreds position. At tens position it is 0, and so 0 is less than 5. So that means no changes will be there at 100 position, and the number will become 55,100. Okay. Now one more, that is round off the given number to nearest 1000. If 1000 is said, we have to see its previous position, that is hundreds position, and nothing to worry about any other position. Here the number is 8,11,219. Let's arrange in place value order: ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000 and lakh. We have to see this 1 and this 2, that is 100 and thousands position. For changing or to rounding of this thousands position, we have to look for its previous position, that is 100 position. So at 100 position 2 is there, which is less than 5. So the number will become 811,000, because the number will be rounded down and these all will be converted to zeros only. Okay. Next is 5,41,588. At 100 position 5 is there, at 1000 position 1 is there. 5 or more than 5, we know we have to round up the number, so 1 will be added to this, so this will become 542,000. One more, 3,32,654. At 100 position 6 is there, and this is 1000. 6 is more than 5, so this will be rounded up and this will become 3,33,000 only. Okay. Now it is 100,000. 4 is at 100 position, which is less than 5. So this number will be rounded down and it will become 531,000, that is 5,31,000. So I hope this is clear you to all. Only keep in mind whatever the number position is given, like 1000 is given, so 1000 we have to see, and its previous position, that is 100, we have to see. Nothing to worry about any other position, and we have to round up or round down, and after that all the positions, remaining positions on the right hand side becomes 0. I hope this is clear. We'll meet in for the next chapter.